Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. Real quick, I just wanted to jump in and tell you guys or share with you a small haul I got. This was from my little scrapbook store, and we're just gonna go through a few things that I recently got from them. And this here is actually by Catherine Pooler Designs, and this is called "Say It with Diamonds," and it comes with some great sentiments. Well, hello there. Get well. Very thankful for you. Happy birthday. A little kindness goes a long way. I really like this set. I also got from Coco Vanilla this chipboard pieces, and they have some really nice sayings that will go really well on layouts and stuff, and you can heat emboss them. So I think that was fun. Now, what's really cool is they sent this pen. So there's the web address. And it's nice. It's got a stylus and it's a ballpoint. And I thought that was really nice of them to send that. And then I also purchased the three Catherine Pooler design inks. These are really interesting inks, okay? If you've never used them before, you might want to start off with just a couple. These are foam pads, okay? So they have a lot of give to them, which is different from your typical ink pads. Most of them are felt. So I grabbed this one from Archival, and you can see, like, I'm pressing, it's hard, nothing happens, right? Well, take a look. I'm going to clean it off real quick, and I'm going to grab, I think it's All That Jazz again, and look. See how far down it went? That's that foam. Um, I'm really excited to try these, and it's got so much juice on it. So I didn't get any of the re-inkers only because like I said, I wanted to try these out, and she had them as a set of three, so I went ahead and got these. And these are dye inks, and so you can actually watercolor with these as well. All right, so this is what started it all. I saw this paper collection and I was like, I gotta have it. So we have ephemera, which you can see all those pieces there. I also have the tags, frames and tags, and those go with this wonderful paper collection, which is the Carta Bella Pack Your Bag. Yeah, pack your bags. And what caught my attention on this was that it was nice and bright with the colors, but on some of the papers actually have llamas. And there's something about llamas. I don't know what it is, but they're so stinking cute on some of these paper collections. I love the suitcases. You can easily fussy cut some of those out, and you just got the simple pattern on the back. You get a couple of cut apart sheets. Okay, and take a look at these. I mean, how can you not love the llama? The Hawaiian girl. I mean, these are just so cute. And the "you are here" symbols. Look at all the llamas. I love the llama paper. So cute. And some of these, like I said, you can fussy cut pieces out. I'm not typically a fussy cutter. Um, a lot of times I think I don't know, it just looks messy to me. But here's a tip: if you do it, make sure you ink around your edges because it does help kind of camouflage your hand cutting. And then we have the world on the back. And then this one are your bigger cut aparts. These are like 4x6 size. But I like these because you can use those as standalones in scrapbooks. If you wanted to do a bigger size card, like a 5x7 card. So, those are always options as well. This one is just it would be a good background sheet. I love the planes. Aren't they cute? And then the snow globes. Well, I guess they wouldn't have snow in them if it's like Hawaii, but they're still fun, right? Would they put snow in a Hawaii globe? Hmm. And then you have the pattern on the back there. And I like this one. It's a little bit busy, but oh, I love that yellow, the bright yellow. So you get 12 sheets in that, plus the sticker sheet. And of course, all the cut aparts, the ephemera, the tags and frames, and then those are the inks with the stamp set and the chipboard. At the Actually, at the end here, I'll have links to previous videos that I've done before, and in the more section, I will have links to the my little scrapbook store, so that way you guys can find them. They're really super nice, and they get lots of stuff in. They even get some stuff from a company in Australia, which is that Cocoa Vanilla. You'll see the chipboard pieces as we go here. I think they're right here. Yeah, here are the chipboard pieces. So, and they have like really nice paper collections, that Cocoa Vanilla. So definitely check that out. And if you guys have any comments or questions, you can just leave them down below. And please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.